Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. I'm Raheen and welcome back to my channel Fun with Raheen. So right now I'm planning to visit the Tumtum fair which have already started from 19th December and it will continue till 12th or 13th January. Actually, I'm confused. But yes, I will let you know. But yes, before starting this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel if you are new, and don't forget to share it with your friends. So, without any further delay, let's get started with this video. Alright, so this was the gate of the fair, and everyone was wondering, that what was it doing actually. I don't know why my voice come like this whenever I try to do voiceover, but just look at the crowd. I think you all can see through this video, and please subscribe my channel and help me to reach 300 subscribers. I will again say this at the end of the video. And I have one more channel, Magic on Feet, so go and subscribe that channel. The link will be in the description box. And this fair started from 19th December and it will continue till 12th January. As I told you all before that I will inform you all. So yeah, and the timing of this fair is from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And if you all want the details about how to come, then it will be in my description box. So go and check it out. I think it will be more helpful for you all. So, okay, that was the furniture shop. And what is this? Okay, Bangladesh. This is a shop. Came from Bangladesh. Okay. Now, what is this? Desi or Kashmir art. Then many more shops were there. Now this is my favorite shop in this fair because look at those carpets. They were so gorgeous and colorful. I loved those. And I didn't ask the price, but if you want you can. Okay, this is bag shop. There were many bags. One more thing, why do I speak in English? Like, what is the reason behind it? This answer you will get in my Q&A video. Okay, it will come when I will cross 1k subscribers then, so wait for it. this ride. This is my favorite ride. I love this ride. But I didn't board on this ride. Oh look, helicopter ride. Then jumping ride. Oh, flying saucer. Oh look, this is a barbecue shop. Oh, so tasty it is looking. Yum. I don't like candy floss, you know. Those who love, they can come and eat. But I don't like. Now look at this ride. This is so dangerous. My god. But I am not scared. Now I don't know what's the name of this ride. But what is it written? Is it written? It is Dragon. Okay, Dragon Ride. This ride name is Dragon Ride. And oh, one more thing. The prices of these rides will be given in my description box. So go and check it out. You can sit and watch the program. Okay, this is Aqua Fun Boating and it is for kids. Okay, this is boat ride. Yes, boat ride. Okay, so actually I don't know what is the name of this ride. I was so excited at that time. And you all can board on this ride because this ride is so much of fun. I loved it. I will give 10 out of 10 to this ride. She is my partner at this ride. Please don't get scared because I have did it fast forwarded. That's why it is so fast. So please don't be scared. This is a pan shop. Every type of pan you will get, like smoke pan, then vanilla pan, then fire pan, then strawberry pan, then fruit pan, chocolate pan, etc. So it was my first try and I was so scared at that time. Look at my face. And fire pan price is rupees 40. It is too bad. Don't try this. It's very bad. I hope you all have loved this video. And if you all have loved it, then please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you are new, and don't forget to share it with your friends. So advance Happy New Year and bye. I will again meet you all in my next video.